Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear viewers and all the students. How are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. In this COVID-19 situation, we have to take class online. As part of the online class, I am going to take a class for the student of class 8, 9, 10, and especially for class 8. It's a part 3, transformation of sentence. So I request all of you to take here khata and pen and enjoy the class. You are most welcome to my class. Before starting the class, my dear student, let's enjoy a video and guess what is the video about. My dear students, I hope all of you enjoy the video. What do you think about the video? Yes, the sea is very exciting and so dangerous. We can speak in English that the sea is so dangerous because of water. So, in assertive sentence, we see about the video is that the sea is so dangerous. We can also say that how dangerous the sea is. I think all of you understand. Our today's topic is transformation of sentence, assertive to exclamatory, part 3. Our learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, we will be able to identify assertive sentence, identify exclamatory sentence and its classifications, change from assertive to exclamatory sentence. My dear students, let's enjoy an exciting show, an exciting video. Let's enjoy the video. My dear students, I hope all of you enjoyed the video. We enjoyed a very exciting show. So, if we transform into exclamatory sentence, it will be, what an exciting show we enjoyed. We will discuss about these sentences in details. The tiger is a ferocious animal. If we transform into exclamatory, it will be, what a ferocious animal the tiger is. The tiger is a ferocious animal. It is an assertive sentence, and what a ferocious animal the tiger is an exclamatory sentence. Now we will discuss about the structure. At first, I am discussing about the structure of assertive sentence. My dear students, please write this structure in your khata. In assertive sentence, the structure is subject plus verb plus a or an plus adjective plus noun. Very, so, to, great, may have or not after verb. We have to add very, so, to, great after verb. Number 2, subject plus verb plus adjective. Very, so, to, great, may have or not after verb. It is the same. There are two kinds of assertive sentence there. One, we have to write subject plus verb plus a or n plus adjective plus noun, and the another is subject plus verb plus adjective. I am giving the example. It is a very interesting story, or it is an interesting story. Very may be added after verb or not. It is very interesting. It is interesting. These are the example of assertive sentences. Now we will discuss about the structure of exclamatory sentence. Here are two rules. Number A, what plus a or an plus adjective plus subject plus verb, and we have to add exclamatory sign at the end of the sentence. Number B, how plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus exclamatory sign. Here is a note, assertive with a or an begins with what? Assertive without a or an begins with how. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, এখানে তোমাদের একটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয় এসেছে, সেটি হচ্ছে কোনো একটি অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সকে যদি এক্সক্লেমেটরি সেন্টেন্সে রূপান্তর করতে হয়, তাহলে অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সে যদি এ অথবা এন থাকে, তাহলে অবশ্যই তোমাদেরকে ওয়ার্ড দিয়ে শুরু করতে হবে এক্সক্লেমেটরিতে যখন তোমরা পরিণত করবে তখন। আর যদি এ অথবা এন না থাকে অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সে, তাহলে তোমাদেরকে হাউ দিয়ে শুরু করতে হবে। I hope all of you understand this rule. Here is an example of an exclamatory sentence. What an interesting story it is. And how interesting it is. Now I am giving some individual activities that if we find a or an in the assertive sentence, we have to start in exclamatory with what, and we don't find a or an in an assertive sentence, we have to start with how in the exclamatory sentence. My dear students, please write the answer of these 5 sentences and transform them into exclamatory. I will share my idea later. Number 1, Akbar was a very powerful king of India. So here is a. So the answer is, what a powerful king of India Akbar was. And you have to add sign of exclamation at the end of each sentences. He was very handsome. So there is no a or an. We have to start with how. How handsome he was. there was an aristocratic throne for him. So here is an N. So we will start. What an aristocratic throne for him there was. It looked very gorgeous. So the answer is how gorgeous it looked. And the last one, he was indeed a successful king. What a successful king he was. So my dear students, at the end of this rule, we have to say that আমরা এই দুইটি নিয়ম কানুনের শেষে বলতে পারি যে কোনো একটি অ্যাসারেটিভ সেন্টেন্সে যদি এ অথবা এন থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই সেটিকে এক্সক্লেমেটরিতে রূপান্তর করার সময় ওয়াট দিয়ে শুরু করতে হবে এবং যদি এ অথবা এন না থাকে তাহলে হাউ দিয়ে শুরু করতে হবে। I hope all of you realize this rule. Now we'll move to our next rule. Here we see, I wish I had the wings of a bird. So it will be transformed into exclamatory that, had I the wings of a bird? I wish I were a king. If I were a king. So the rule is, if we find I wish, it will be changed into if or had in the exclamatory sentences. তাহলে প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা এই নিয়মে বোঝা যাচ্ছে যে কোনো একটি সেন্টেন্সে যদি আই উইশ থাকে তাহলে সেটিকে এক্সক্লেমেটরিতে রূপান্তর করার সময় তোমাদের হ্যাড অথবা ইফ দিয়ে শুরু করে সাবজেক্ট এবং বাকি অংশ লিখতে হবে। যেমন এই লাইনটি ছিল আই উইশ আই হ্যাড দ্য উইংস অফ এ বার্ড, এটি পরিবর্তন হয়ে গিয়েছে had I the wings of a bird অথবা if I had the wings of a bird এবং দুই নাম্বারটি I wish I were a king, এটি পরিণত হয়েছে if I were a king. So my dear students, if we find I wish in the assertive sentence, it will be transformed into if or had plus subject plus extension, and at last of the sentence we have to add sign of exclamation. I hope all of you understand these rules. My dear students, today I am discussing 3 rules on exclamatory sentence. I will discuss the other rules in my next class. Here I am giving some homework. Write these assertive sentences in your khata and transform them into exclamatory and send the answer in the comment box. I will check your answer. Number 1, the Padma is a very big river. Number 2, it is so deep. Number 3, the river contains a vast water. Number 4, the water of the river is very useful for the people. Number 5, it is beneficial for cultivation. Number 6, the fishermen enjoy fishing in the river very cheerfully. Number 7, the fish of this river is really tasty. Number 8, I wish I had a boat. Number 9, I wish I were a fisherman. Number 10, I like the river very dearly. I think all of you write these sentences. May Allah keep you safe and sound. My dear students, I hope all of you understand my today's class. I hope all of you enjoy this class. Today, I am discussing the rules about transformation of sentence part 3, assertive to exclamatory. In my next class, I will discuss on exclamatory to assertive, how to transform exclamatory to assertive. Before ending the class, I am giving you some advice. Obey your parents, follow health rules, pray to Allah for the whole universe so that He can save this earth from Corona. Thank you very much for joining the class. We will meet you in our next class. Until then, Allah Hafiz.